In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, pick some particular contact that you would like to block, and then tap on more icon. Now select block numbers, and if you truly want to block this caller, just tap on block. And that's it. From now on, you can notice this block icon right next to the Anna's number or any other contact's number, and she will not be able to reach me. If you'd like to unblock some caller, tap on more again and pick unblock numbers. Confirm that you would like to unblock it. And that's it. This is how you can block a contact in your phone in your Motorola. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.